we got Neo here. Waiting for price to break this area. Has not done it. So again, we just have to wait. Another cool thing is you can see that it's created another zone here. So price held, broke, and now is holding below it. So creating more zones, which is good. It gives us, day by day, price doesn't really move up or down, but it's creating zones for us to go off of. So this trade is still valid if price breaks this area, which has yet to do, but all you got to do is wait. Let let price come down to our zone here, and then break this zone, and then retest it, and then enter our short. So down to the bottom of this zone. So yeah, not much on Neo yet. We can delete this zone because it's not relative. I mean, if you really wanted to if you want to take a bit of a gamble, and I think the biggest gamble part would be the fact that there's no real liquidity and this isn't really moving, so it might just end up flat, but could take a short position off this zone here above 85, 55 kind of thing, because you can see price is rejecting this area and is now resistance, right? Which was once support is now resistance. So this wouldn't be a terrible trade, I don't think. The price is super bearish overall on the daily, on the 4 hour, and then it's pretty neutral on the 1 hour right now though. But yeah, again, low liquidity in the market. It's the weekend, so I do think at 8.55 is a good short, but I'm personally just going to wait for price to break below this area here and enter the short, and then hopefully make some money on the, if depending on once this gets below here, let's say it follows this trend, which I mean this might be a little aggressive, but by the 16th, 17th of the month, hopefully price is below this zone and rejecting, and then maybe for the last week and a half of the month you get some bearish movement down here to the 746 zone, and right to the beginning of this zone here, and you might make some money. It might be something like this, just because there's not really a lot of liquidity in this, but who knows? We'll have to just wait and find out. We got to wait for price to break this area and retest. That's all we can wait for. But it is like slowly doing it. You can see it's making lower lows, and it's creating its zones. So I mean, it's doing what it can, and it's going in the right direction. So I can't get mad at it for that. It's just not doing it super quick. So it is what it is. So that's Neo.